What's up, online shoppers? If you've ever dreamed of having your own pool in your backyard and you set up one kind of like the one I have here, but it's not quite warm enough, you might want to think about getting yourself a really nice high quality solar cover. This one here is an ultra pool cover, which means it is 16 millimeters thick, which is absolutely optimal for helping to heat up and retain the heat. This one here is for the pool that you see behind us. It's 12 by 22, and this one here is 12 by 24 because I do have a bit of a roller back there, and we like to have a couple extra feet so that we can roll it up out of the way. It ships just like this. It's not too heavy, actually. So let's get out of the box and see what it looks like, and then we'll talk about why you want to get this particular solar cover. Now, when everybody thinks about solar covers, they actually think about getting blue ones because they think that the blue ones are going to do a better job of heating up the pool. This one here is silver with clear bits to it, and the other magic is right there. Look at that. I'd say it does ship pretty compact, which is nice. What we're going to do is just unwrap it here. A little bit of tape holds it closed, that's all. This solar cover is 16 millimeters thick. Now that's pretty thick by industry standards because most of them are around 9. And what I also love is the really nice finished edge on the outside of this. It means that all of the bubbles aren't going to be getting all the pull. You've got a really nice polished finished edge right there. Having a really nice thick pool cover like this one can actually raise up the temperature of your pool by 10 degrees just by having it. And as far as which color heats the pool better, well, definitely silver wins out here. Not only the thickest that you can get, but the way that this is designed, the water actually heats up better if the sun can penetrate through the cover a little bit. Come in standard pool sizes. So we didn't have to do any cutting. We literally just picked the size that we needed and ordered it, and it arrived exactly what we needed. This reflective silver color allows the heat from the sun to penetrate deeper into the water, and it's going to warm it up faster. As well, I live north. Our nights are usually not as warm as our days. But the fact that this is 16 millimeters thick, it's going to actually help us to retain the heat of the day a little bit longer, even if the night temperature dips a little cooler than I'd like. So if you are looking for a way to lengthen your pool season and warm up your water so it doesn't have quite the kind of a factor when you jump into it, you definitely want to think about getting yourself a great pool solar cover. This is an efficient way to heat up my pool. I don't have to run any electrical heating unit to it. I don't have to pump water through anything. And given that we purchased our last pool filter from this same company quite a few years ago, and that we're only now just replacing it, I know that this company stands for quality. It is a really nice quality product. I'm gonna go get it on my pool because I don't know about you, but 10 degrees warmer never felt bad. Love it. As with the other one we had before, I'm pretty sure this one is gonna be a family favorite at our house.